Unbox this jato, boys. Oh shit! Somebody done broke our seal. Damn sure did. Look, get that. They take it back where he had to open that so much up. Have to tell them about that. Watch out. Fuel bottle, transmitter. The product itself.
That orange do look good, though.
Daddy. Looks beautiful.
Kind of like that.
See, we got our batteries, extra fuel filter, filter oil,
I put one of my pins on
charger, starter, owner's manual, nice pack. Alright, let's get this body off here, boys. Let's see what we got on the hood.
So it goes 65 plus miles per hour.
Been waiting on this for a while, ain't we, boys? Let's see, where'd that pin go? There she goes.
I wonder where my pin is.
Alright, boys.
Do they have one of those
Got this nice big motor. Nice air filter. Starter. Comes with the tune pipe.
Yeah, I like that exhaust.
Break-in instructions. Disc brakes. It's got that plastic spur. Tried to ask them boys at the shop to get us the metal gears, but we got one about to go in the Revo back here, boys. Revo's down right now. Busted clutch housing on it. Clutch wheel.
The same size as mine, or a little bit bigger.
But we'll go charge them up, boys, and we'll be right back.